Guys, this is Trevor with Embers. I'm so excited because I am in like the mother lode of outdoor kitchen manufacturers. I'm down in downtown Chicago at the Kalamazoo showroom, and I'm reviewing their products, and I am like fully geeking out. Like, this is the coolest stuff I've ever seen in my entire life. I've never reviewed anything cooler than this. Today I'm reviewing their pizza oven. If you want to see their other reviews, we'll include a link down below. Check out their full line of products. And the most exciting thing is we are one of the newest retailers for Kalamazoo. So you will be able to see Kalamazoo products in Denver, Colorado on display in our showroom. We can help you design a full Kalamazoo outdoor kitchen. Call us and we can help you out. But let's talk pizza ovens today. So Kalamazoo has many cool products. They have the hybrid grill, the gas grill, their Kamado style grill, their Gaucho, which is their wood fired, but they also have a gas pizza oven. So this is a countertop model. Pizza ovens are all pretty straightforward, but there are some unique things that we want to talk about with this. First off, let's talk about the level of craftsmanship when we talk about Kalamazoo. So everything's made and manufactured in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Now, what's really cool is part of what you're paying for is the level of detail and the high quality stainless steel. Look at this. This looks stamped, but this is hand welded and hand polished. So the craftsmanship involved in just their stainless steel work alone is literally next level. I've never seen anything like it, ever. And it's not close. So that's part of what you're paying for, is the level of detail and the craftsmanship behind the products. Now, let's take this grill apart literally and show you some of the features about it. So everything vents off of here. Now, it does only need 6 inches of clearance off the back of the grill. So we can have the 6 inches away from combustibles, not from the vent, but from the back of the pizza oven. We have 2 burners. So we have a burner underneath our pizza stone here, which we'll talk about the pizza stone here in a minute. And then our main sort of powerhouse burner is this back burner, and we'll show you some videos of that thing in action. And then we have like a cement-like stone on top for retaining heat and helping cook the tops of our pizza oven. Now, just like any other pizza oven, you don't have to use this just for pizzas. This can do a lot of other stuff. It's basically like an outdoor oven, especially with the 2 burners, where we have a burner underneath this. Gives us a little more versatility for this pizza stone to get even hotter. But some of the cool features that really set this apart, besides the level of craftsmanship, is check this out. This thing can literally be taken apart. Oh my gosh. Like, that's heavy, but it's not like out of control heavy. So let's set this down. Man, normally I take stuff apart and I'm just throwing stuff around, but I want to be really careful with this stuff. Oh yeah, and then this whole thing comes off. So you can see this is our top stone here. Let's see here. And then we have sort of our base. So you can see, let's take the stone out. Okay. So I wanted to show off this stone. Look at that. So it's like a ceramic material, but it's almost like honeycomb shaped. Now the advantage of this is because it's hollowed out like that, it heats up really, really fast, but also it cools down really fast. Now, if you're like me, you've definitely accidentally overfired a pizza oven. Actually, I'll show you this clip of my mistake I made. Let's cut to the footage. I could not cool that sucker down. So this gives us the ability to really cool down if we want to, which is really cool. And then you can see we just have a stainless steel 2 burner here. Now, some of the competitors, and we've actually done a review on it, will use like an infrared burner. To me, that's a mistake. That thing gets 1200 degrees easily. And with a solid stone, as you could see in the video clip I just showed you, way too hot. You don't need the bottom of the pizza stone that hot. So I like that they give us a little bit of heat, but really predominantly this burner back here is gonna be our powerhouse burner. So that's really what we're gonna wanna use probably 80–90% of the time. So it does have a little igniter over here. And then the fact that it comes apart easily, I mean, this definitely is not advertised as a portable pizza oven. However, you saw I just did that all by myself. You can turn it into, especially if you're on propane, it becomes portable pretty quickly. So that's also really cool. And then, of course, you can just leave it on your counter at home too, like most people would. Now, little tip, always make sure your vent is facing the back. You can very easily, mistakenly put that on facing forward, and we do not want to do that. Look at that. Goes together really easily. So this is the Kalamazoo pizza oven. It's probably my favorite pizza oven because of the way it breaks apart, the high quality build, and then just the design. I love this honeycomb insert. To me, that's huge because we're not error proof. If you're like me, you've made a ton of mistakes when cooking pizzas. You're over firing it, you're cooking for 30 people. It happens quick. And then waiting 20 minutes for it to cool down, that's just embarrassing. No one wants to see that. So just get a Kalamazoo and then you don't have that problem. So easily heat up, easily cool down, easily disassembles. Also great for cleaning that way. This insert is reversible. So let's say you accidentally turn a pizza into a calzone. You accidentally fold that baby over. You got just a hot mess, literally. Just flip it upside down. I've obviously scraped that off. Flip it upside down. Then you got a clean side to cook with. The bottom burns off. Easy peasy. Best pizza oven I've seen. Just like everything I'm reviewing here, you're gonna hear that a lot. This is the best products I've ever seen in my whole life, and I'm blown away by what's in this kitchen. It's unbelievable. We'll see you guys next time.